Can you make your own Blandongan for $20 or less? Keep watching to learn more. Okay, hi guys, and welcome to another Showcase Sunday. I hope you are all in good health and positive spirit always. If you are watching this for the first time, my name is Keris Johari, better known as Pak Jofe, the Keris Collector from Singapore, and you are watching the Keris Collector Show, Showcase Sunday. Now, I scheduled this video for another episode, but as the weather has not been kind, I decided to swap the production schedule. And so, for today, instead of sharing with you how I prepare the traditional Keris warangan mix, instead, I skipped ahead to making my own Blandongan. What is a Blandongan, you ask? Traditionally, it is an essential tool made for the purpose of Keris Marangi. Essentially, it is a long container designed to fit Keris blades for use in soaking, be it in a warangan solution or a solution of citric juices to cleanse the Keris blade of rust and oil. You may, if you so choose, to build one Blandongan for each specific purpose. One for cleaning, one for warangan, and one for rinsing. But personally, I feel this is not necessary, as you may not be performing the respective tasks simultaneously at the same time. For a long time, I have been searching for readily available containers that is long enough to fit a regular sized Keris blade. Unfortunately, no such containers exist unless it is a customized commission. So how did I work around it? The alternative is to modify existing and readily available construction supplies and convert it into my very own waterproof Blandongan for my Keris cleansing purpose. For this construction project, you just need these three basic items: a 1 meter long PVC meter gutter, a set of the gutter end caps both left and right, and a PVC cement glue. Spread a luxurious amount of PVC cement on both ends of the gutter and the end caps, pop the end caps in, leave it to set overnight, and the next day, Bob's your uncle, you have your own Blandongan. Obviously, the next step is to test if the Blandongan leaks. One simple surefire test is to pour in about 1.5 liters of water into your finished DIY Blandongan. Place some sheets of newspapers under the ends where the joints were glued together and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes have passed, if the newspaper sheets are still dry, congratulations, you now have a fully functional Blandongan that you can use throughout the rest of your journey into this hobby with Kerises. In total, the cost incurred aside from my time is almost close to $20 as of the time of this recording. In conclusion, with a little hands-on and out-of-the-box thinking, there are workarounds that can be applied to make your experience and journey into this hobby wholesome and fulfilling. That is all for today's showcase. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video adds value to you and may you learn something new and useful from watching this. I look forward to reading your feedback in the comment section, so please feel free to leave me your comments and I will personally reply to you. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.